Hello, if you are in no contact situation, this is a message from your partner. This is a hidden message that the partner wants to tell you. I'll go from Aries to Pisces, okay? And let me see what the person wants to tell you. Aries, if you are in no contact situation, one message from your partner. Aries, I could not let you get close to me. There can be some reason that this person could not let you get close to this person. कुछ मजबूरियां हो सकती हैं. And there is another message that flipped off, and this is regarding. See, this is written. I regret lying to you. Aries. So there is something that is disturbing this person. Please keep patience. This person must come up by himself or herself. I am not going into much detail, but this is the message that he or she wants to give to you. Okay. Now let me see for Taurus. Taurus, what does your partner want to tell you? Taurus, I left you before you could leave me. Taurus, this person would have seen you with either connecting with somebody else, or this can be an insecurity in this person's mind, an insecurity that there are high chances that you may leave this person. Okay, don't worry, situation must improve in upcoming days. This is just the current energy whenever you are watching it. Okay, this was a hidden message from your partner, Taurus. Okay, let me see for Geminis. Geminis, what does your partner wants to tell you if you are in no contact situation? Gemini, one message from your partner. Geminis, for Geminis. Again, I left you before you could leave me. See, this person might be seeing you connecting with somebody else, or there are chances that this can be this person's insecurity. Okay, that's why this person tried to detach from the situation. Geminis, but this is the current energies. Whenever you are watching it, don't worry, we'll see later on what happens. This is what this person wants to tell you. Okay, this person had some fear factors, fear of rejection, fear of abandonment. Okay, Geminis, don't worry. Let me see for Cancerians. If you are in no contact, Cancerians, if you are in no contact situation from your partner, let me see what does your partner wants to tell you. Cancerians, my goodness, this is consistently. See, it's written, finding out the truth crushed me. I left you before you could leave me. My goodness. See, Cancerians, this person would have seen you either connecting to somebody else, or see, this can be a misunderstanding. You need to clear it with this person. And there was some fear of rejection. There was something that was it's called a fear of abandonment. Okay, इंसान को लग रहा था ऐसा, there is something which is coming up in future. That's why this person tried to disconnect. Cancerians, this is a hidden message from your partner. Don't worry, try to talk to this person if possible, or you can wait for this person, because I'm not digging much. This is just a hidden message from your partner. Just a misunderstanding. Okay, let me see for Leos. Leos, what does your partner wants to tell you? Leos, if you're, my goodness, perhaps this person wants to tell you so many things, so many cards flipped off, but I won't be taking any one. Let me shuffle again, but I will pull out 2-3 cards for Leos, because this is the indication from the universe that this person has a lot to tell you. Okay, wait a minute. Leos, the first message, finding out the truth crushed me. What kind of truth? What kind of truth? See, there is something. I told you, no, I'll take out 3-4 cards for you. See, I'll explain all these. You came closer than anyone. Finding out the truth crushed me, as I told you. There is something that this person found out about you. कुछ गलतफहमी हो सकती है. And I am becoming a better person. See, Leos. So there are high chances that this person wants to come back. This person, मुझे ऐसी इंट्यूशन हो रही है कि this person must be realizing that there was some misunderstandings in the past, and this is the hidden message that this person wants to tell you. Okay, All the very best, Leos. Wait for this person. I'm not doing much, but this person must come forward to confess these things, okay? Hopefully. Let me see for Virgos. Virgos, if you are in no contact situation, let me see what your partner wants to tell you, Virgos. One hidden message for Virgos. Oh, this is a straight away message. I love you. Oh, so sweet. And you know, Virgos, this message मुझे दिख गया तो I'll tell you. It's written, I wish I could share my good news with you. This person loves you, Virgo. Virgos, this person loves you. There's no doubt behind it. There's so many things that this person wants to share with you. If you are in no contact, this person must confess these things with you. God bless you. Okay, Virgos, take care. You can wait for this person. Okay. Let me see for Libras. Libras, what does your partner wants to tell you? One hidden message from your partner for Libras if you're in no contact situation. Libras. I know I messed up everything. See, this person is realizing that he or she has messed up everything. He is the person or she is the person is the that person is the reason behind everything that is not going well in the situation. Wait for this person's confession. This person will definitely try to mend the situation, definitely, Libras, because he or she is already realizing it, no? Okay, let me see for Scorpios now. Scorpios, if you are in no contact situation, let me see what does your partner wants to tell you. Scorpios, one message from your partner. Scorpios, my God, this is this is an absolute straightaway message. I love you. See, I can't stop thinking about you. Scorpios, if you are in no contact situation, there are high chances that this person is missing you and this person must confess this thing with you. No doubt. All the very best. You can wait for this person. I'm not digging much, but this is the hidden message. Hidden message means the person has not yet expressed and wants to express these things. Okay, you are there in this person's mind rent free 24 into 7. Okay, now let me see. God bless you, Scorpios. And let me see for Sagittarius. What does your partner wants to tell you? If you are in no contact situation, let me see. One message from your partner for you, Sagittarius. I lost myself for a while. Why? Oh my God. I love you. See, this person is almost lost himself or herself. This person is not feeling good. This person must be suffering so much from inside. Sag. This person is suffering from inside. There's no doubt behind it. Hopefully, this person confesses this feeling for you very soon. God bless you. Now let me see for Capricorns. Capricorns, what does your partner wants to tell you if you're in no contact situation? Capricorns, what does your partner wants to tell you if you are in no contact situation? Capricorns, one message from your partner, Capricorns. You keep closer than anyone. This person wants to tell you that you are the one with whom this person is very close, nobody else. Hopefully, this person shares this feeling with you very soon. God bless you, Capricorns. All the very best. Let me see for Aquarius. Aquarius, one message from your partner. Aquarius, if you are in no contact situation, one message from your partner. Aquarius. I look for you everywhere. See, this person is missing you like hell. I look for you everywhere, Aquarius. This is the hidden message. And I just saw this message, that is why I'm sharing. I regret lying to you. There is something that this person has spoken to you which is not the truth. And that's why this person is regretting. This person is absolutely, it seems like this person is thinking about you day and night. Aquarius, God bless you. Hopefully this person must come up and confess these feelings with you. All the very best. God bless you. Finally, for Pisces, my fishies. Let me see. If you're in no contact situation, Pisces, one message from your partner. Pisces, one message from your partner. I couldn't let you get close to me. My life is not together as it seems. This person's life is absolutely messy. You might not be having any idea regarding this, and this is the thing that this person wants to share with you, Pisces. The reason behind breakup or the reason behind the no contact situation was something during that time that this person was not able to express you, but he wants to now. He wants to tell you कि his own situation was the reason. ऐसे होता है ना कि वो गुस्सा कहीं और का एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन हम कहीं और निकाल देते हैं. This has happened to this person and that is why you are in no contact. Hopefully this person expresses everything to you very soon. God bless you, Pisces. All the very best to all of you. Stay blessed. Radhe Radhe.